Hello, bases! It's time for I'm an Evil Monkey, the Dark Edition. Dun dun dun. So, if you're ready to play I'm an Evil Monkey, so am I. Now, this looks comfortable, right? You might have thought about trying to do this. One thing you don't realize is I'm not actually leaning on my base, okay? I'm actually just kind of slumped over it, but I'm not letting any weight go on it, because if I was, it would be extremely bad for my base. Because that end pin under there would take all the stress, and if it bends or breaks, ay, talk about a headache, man. So tell you what, don't ever lean on your base like this. Good. All right, here we go. We're going to do I'm an Evil Monkey. Oh, I'm actually not even going to start with my bow. I'm going to keep it right here on my desk. I'm an Evil Monkey requires one different note from I'm a Little Monkey. Now, if you think about the difference between hot cross buns and burnt cross buns, you might be able to predict the difference between I'm a little monkey and I'm an evil monkey. So, here's the deal, okay? When we play hot cross buns, we use F sharp, E, and D. And when we play burnt cross buns, we use F, E, and D. Now, F is achieved by playing with our second finger. My third finger's not on the string. Never do what I'm doing right now. Bad form. You don't want to hide your fingers here. But I wanted you to see that I'm just using 2, 1, 0. Okay? That is F, E, D, just like burnt cross buns. So now we're going to play I'm an Evil Monkey. Whoop, get my fingers back in good position. And I'm going to use those notes. I'm going to use D, E, F, and open G. So the only note that changes is F sharp turns into F natural. Okay? So here's the notes, me plucking them, and then you'll pluck them with me. Nice. Super sweet. Pretty simple. And assuming you've watched all the other videos, you're like, psh, made in the shade. You're going to do just fine with this. My computer's sleeping. I don't want it to sleep. I want to be able to see what I'm doing. So, here we go. Open D, ready, pluck. First finger E, ready, pluck. Second finger F, ready, pluck. Open G, ready, pluck. Stay on G, ready, pluck. Back to F, ready, pluck. E and ready, pluck. Open D, ready, pluck. Good. Let's do that one more time. Open D, ready, pluck. E first, tape, ready, pluck. F between the tapes, ready, pluck. Open G, ready, pluck. Open G, ready, pluck. Back to F, ready, pluck. First finger E, ready, pluck. Open D, ready, pluck. Good, nice work. Now, all we gotta do now is put the bow in there because we use what rhythm? Play for you once. Right, Mississippi Stop Stop. So we do the same thing, ready? Open D, Mississippi, here you go. E note, ready, go. F note, ready, go. G note, ready, go. Stay on G, ready, go. Back to F, ready, go. Here comes E, ready, go. Open D, ready, go. Good. Now let's do it without all that pausing. We're just going to play right through it, okay? Climb up the evil ladder and down the evil ladder. Here we go. I'm an evil monkey. starting on D. Mississippi, rock it out. To E, to F, to open G, stay on G, back to F, and to E, and open D. Nicely done. Let's do it one more time. Now, open D, Mississippi. Wait, check your bow hold. Everybody check your bow hold. I don't want to see any clubs out there in internet land. Check your bow hold. Here we go. Make sure your bow hold looks just like mine. Ready? Open D, Mississippi, now you play. Get to E, get to F, and open G, stay on G, back to F, and to E, and open D. Nice. If you can do that, you're ready to go to I'm an Evil Monkey Play Along. See you there. Woo!